Hello, my lovely viewers. Let's take a quick look at this question. This question we are asked, which species has the highest lost electron? Like this one, they gain 2 electrons. This one, they lost 3 electrons. This one, they gain 3 electrons. And this one, they lost what? 2 electrons. So first thing, we are going to look at the number of electrons in these various ions. Do you get that? We are going to look at the number of electrons. Yeah. Remember, in a neutral atom, the number of proton is equals to the number of what? Of electron. Do you understand? But this one is not a neutral atom. You can see a charge here. So going by that, after knowing the number of electrons, we will now look at their electronic configuration. So now looking by that, we go to oxygen. Oxygen has atomic number what? Atomic number 8. That is the number of what? Proton is 8. And oxygen gains 2 electrons. Gain means what? Has plus. So 8 plus 2 will give us what? Will give us 10. So oxygen, yeah, oxygen ion has what? Has 10 number of what? Electrons. Come to ion, is minus 3 will give us what? 23. Are you following? Now come to nitrite ion here. Nitrite here, nitrogen here has atomic number what? Atomic number 7. And nitrogen will do what? Gain 3 electrons. Gain means you are adding. So it will be what? 7 plus 3. It give you what? Give you 10 electrons. Are you following? Come to zinc. Zinc ion. Look at zinc has atomic number what? 30. Now zinc lost 2 electrons. Remember, 2 will give us what? 28. So we are going to look at their various electronic configuration. If we look at the electronic configuration, we know the one that is what? Has the highest unpaired electron. Is that understood? Now come to this one. If you look at if you want to write the electronic configuration of 10, which is neon, we have what? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. We have each of this one. This one has 3 orbitals. This one has what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You guys. So there is no one that is left. All these one are what? Are paired. Therefore, this one has what? 0 unpaired electron. If that one is left here, it means that it has what? 1 unpaired electron. If that we have another one, this one would have been what? 2 unpaired electron. If that this one is left with 3, we have what? 3 unpaired electron. But this one now, there is no what? There is no one that is what? Left to be paired. So all of them have what? Paired electron. So we have 0 unpaired electron. Now this one is the same thing with this one. So since they are 10 10, it has the same thing. So we are going to look at the electronic configuration of this one and what? And this one, to know the one that has what? The highest unpaired electron. This one, of course, you have what? 0 unpaired electron. Come to this ion. We are looking at the electronic configuration of what? 23. And now in the we have argon core. We have what? 3d and what? 4x. So now in actual sense, 3d would have been what? 3 and what? This one will be what? Will be 2. This is the electronic configuration of this one. Are you following? But remember, this d now, this is the electronic configuration of 23. If you want to write the electronic configuration of 23, this is how to write it. All right. Now d now has, we have d has 5 orbital. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 orbital in the d. Now s here on the other hand has what? 1 orbital. That has, each orbital has what? 2 number of what? Electron. Now here, if you write here, we have 1, 2, 3. We are now left with what? 3 to complete. Now because these s orbital, now since it is like this, s orbital is lower than d orbital, the energy level according to Osborn principle. Therefore, so that I can complete what? 1, 2. So this one will now be what? Now be vacant. So this one will now be what? 0. Because we have removed this one. So this one, how many are supposed to be paired? Remember, each of the orbital is supposed to have 2 number of electrons. in each of the orbital. So here, one is supposed to be 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 here, just like this one now. So how many are supposed to be here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it means that this one has 5 unpaired. 5 unpaired electron. Are you following? 5 unpaired electron. Now come to this one. So this one has what? 5 unpaired. Now come to zinc. Zinc is the same thing. We have what? Argon core. We what? We are looking at what? Electronic configuration of 28. 28 we have what? We have 3D and 4S. 4S will be what? Here will be what? Here will be 8, and here will be what? 5, 6, 7, 8. Of course, here is 2, because this one 4S is a lower energy level than what? Than 3D. Therefore, this 2 that is supposed to be here is left with 2 to complete. Are you following? Here is what? Left with what? 2 to complete. And these 2 now, we already have 2 here. So these 2 now will now come to this one, so that I can make it what? Can make it 10. Therefore, we now have what? 1, 2 to complete that one. Are you following? Therefore, this D now does not have anything here to be paired. Therefore, this one has what? 0 unpaired. We are looking at the next orbital that is supposed to be complete. That is where you are going to count your unpaired from, not this one. All right, so this one is 0, this one is nothing. So this one are all what? Empty. Therefore, this one now has what? 0 unpaired. This one what? 0 unpaired. This one 0 unpaired. So the one that has the highest number of unpaired electron is what? Is what? Ion, which is what? 5 unpaired electrons. So our answer is what? Option B. For more of this video, do well to like, share, and comment, and follow for more for the latest update on the world of chemistry. Thank you very much for always supporting. I love you, and God bless you.